You got it. You got it. This is my boy right here. Look, yeah. Adam Jr. from Honorable Air.
That's me.
He's got this thing all torn apart just to put a freaking motor in. Way to go, Samsung.
Yeah, Samsung. It was a cute little motor though, man.
Yeah, but the kid knows what he's doing. Or young man, I should say.
Yes.
Young
21.
man. He's 21.
21.
He just turned 21. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
This is what he had to do to put that, to replace the motor. He literally had to take all this apart. Man, just to replace this motor right here. And to get this motor from Samsung, it cost $250. I bought it on Amazon. Same motor, $55.
You gonna hold the coil up that side?
Oh, Jesus. Now I gotta work.
Fuck, man. Sorry. Can't be.
Now he wants. Oh, Jesus. See, I got hurt.
Watch out for that.
God damn, thing. I hit my head on the fan. Jesus.
Go in there.
You've been like, tap, 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 tap.
I think that went inside there.
Did it? I don't know.
Where?
There you go. That's it. You got it.
Look at that. It's gotta come out. Yeah, like that.
Come out. There it is. There it is.
All right.
Now if I can get down without cracking my head.
Again?
All right. Almost there.
Slowly but surely.
Yeah, we're almost together. He's getting there. He'll know what he's doing after this one.
No, not just enough to say call somebody else.
What do you got, a Samsung Mini Flip? Yeah, no, we don't work on them.
Sorry about that.
We're not certified to work on them.
Does this turn into a project there?
No, the other thing.
The no bearing noise?
Yeah, no bearing noises and everything's in balance. And
no bearing noise in the motor. Like I said, this bearing over here is non-wear item. Plus it was like $30 or $40 before shipping and tax.
a little rubber.
It was this little rubber thing with this insulator in it. And they said it's a non-wear item and not to change it. So we did not change it. So.
And you showed it to me and I looked at it and I said,
we
put it
all
back
looked
in.
at it, and you said put it back together. So I don't want to hear it.
Nope.
It's tight, that's tight. That's tight.
It should click right back into place, he says.
Famous last words.
Should. This is where we got the Gorilla Tape and the Gorilla Glue.
Wow, this is complicated. Jeez. This might be above my pay grade, Russell.
Uh-oh. Carol, get the mortgage company on the phone.
Get the mortgage company.
We got to take out a home equity loan.
I guess you're going back to work.
Oh, God. I can't win.
Fuck, I'm good. Almost there.
Is it all plugged in yet? Oh, never mind.
Did you
Sorry.
make dinner yet?
I was just talking to myself. I was going to hit the breaker and see if the motor worked. That's all before you put it all back together.
It's got to be back together first to test the motor, Russell.
Okay. I figured that'd be like a waste of time. Oh, look at that.
That.
That's a good
Man,
sound.
That's a good sound, huh?
Nothing fell too. That was even better.
Almost looks like we know we're down.
Yeah, no plastic pieces fell off. That was good.
That was good. That was pretty good. That was pretty impressive.
Whenever I do shit like that and I hear a pop, shit flies. Is it supposed to be making noises?
Oh yeah. It's a noisemaker. Wind machine. Go for some fan.
And it's not making the noise.
I don't believe it, Russell.
He did it.
Still gotta put it back together.
Yeah, as long as it blows cold air, he can stay like that.
That sure is something. If anything was unplugged, it'd be thrown in fault already.
Nice and quiet.
Yeah, for all the time that this thing's running.
There it is. All back together. No noise. My man Adam Jr., he did a wonderful job. Honorable error. You guys want to call, you got an issue with your heating or air conditioning, you give them guys a call. Awesome. We're good to go.